Hey dolls, today I'm bringing to you a video on how to fix your failed Flexi rod set. I took my Flexi rods out and they looked absolutely horrible. Some of it was cute, like as you can see right here, but then a lot of it was frizzy, still wet, and it just did not look how I wanted it to look. So I decided to style it, and it's a really cute hairstyle that I hope you guys like, and I am using my aloe vera gel from Galaxy Curls. Let's get started. Okay, so as you see, this is how it came out. It's super frizzy at the ends. It looks wet. It looks greasy. It just does not look good at all. So we're about to fix this up using our Galaxy Curls aloe vera gel real quick. So in the link below, I'm going to include a coupon code as well as their website so you can purchase your aloe vera gel. Alright, so I parted my hair down the middle, and then I'm going to actually section my hair in a ponytail just to kind of keep that hair out of the way. And then I'm going to start applying the gel to my hair. As you see, I parted my hair down the middle, so I'm just going to make sure everything looks good. Basically, the gel is very it's not thick. It's kind of like a watery substance, which is good because it doesn't feel heavy on your hair, and it also didn't make my hair flake, and it also added a lot of shine to my hair. You're going to see it in the end results. But I really did like this gel because a lot of gels have a lot of holes, and it just makes your hair feel really heavy, and this gel didn't do that. Right now, I am putting cornrows in my hair. I absolutely love this hairstyle. This is my first time ever doing it, and I loved it because it was so easy, it was simple, and it was super cute. So, yeah. I'm adding a little bit more aloe vera gel to my ends just to give it the shine and the hold that it needs to keep the braid. This is how it looks up close. Super shiny. My braid is popping. Alright, let's do the other side. But y'all, do y'all see the difference? Look at this side of my hair and then look at the side with the braid. It just makes my Flexi rod set look so much better on the braided side than it does on the frizzy side because that frizz is just not cute. And we're doing the same thing to the other side. I parted it. I'm super exhausted as y'all can see. But we finna get some gel, put the gel in our hair, and then keep it going. Now I'm just going to braid my hair. So I'm braiding it just like how I did it to the other side. And that's really it. This is the end of the tutorial. Well, it's not the end of the tutorial. Y'all gonna see my finished results. But this is the steps to your hairstyle. Super simple, super easy, super cute. Now that we finished doing the two braids, I'm about to do the last part to this hairstyle. I'm just super happy with my results so far because my hair does not look frizzy and crazy in the front. And before I finish this, I'm just going to lay my edges real quick because I can't go anywhere without my edges laid. So I'm adding the aloe vera gel also to the sides of my hair just so that it's able to be slicked down, and when I put it in a ponytail it just looks really neat. If you're doing this hairstyle, be careful when you're brushing the sides so that you don't brush your actual curls and you're just brushing the roots to get it to lay down. Don't brush your curls out now because that's the whole purpose of the hairstyles, for the cute curly ponytail. Once you get it to your liking, I just kind of put it in a ponytail. I just wrapped it around one time so that it could be loose and I can pull it like I just did to make the ponytail look a little longer. And then I'm going to take that braid and wrap it around the ponytail and kind of just pin it up or tuck it away so that the braid isn't showing. Now that I finished with this side, I'm going to do the same thing to the next side. This is the end of my tutorial. I hope that you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also click in the description box to get your aloe vera gel today. And use the coupon code to get a discount. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.